Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is offered in a wide variety with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser from a trustworthy brand said to assist you in making a decision after extensive investigation. I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Advanced Handheld Cordless Water Flosser. Waterpik Cordless Advanced features a handheld design with quiet operation and a rechargeable battery. Convenient charger connects magnetically and charges in 4 hours. LED indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge. Great for travel, Cordless Advanced is portable and global voltage compatible. It includes a microfiber travel bag, tip storage case, and water plug for use on the go. Dentist RECOMME. The convenient and DED 9 and 10 dental professionals recommend the Waterpik brand. Waterpik is clinically proven and the first water flosser brand to earn the American Dental Association seal of acceptance. Key features: 4 tips, 3 pressure settings, removable 7 ounces reservoir, 45 seconds flossing time, rechargeable NIMH battery, charger, 360 tip rotation, travel bag, tip case, shower safe. Easy and effective, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque and is up to 50% more effective than dental floss for improving gum health. Just fill the reservoir with warm water, place the tip in your mouth, and start flossing. Brushing alone is not enough. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser provides a unique combination of water pressure and pulsations to clean deep between teeth and below the gum line, removing plaque and debris that traditional brushing and flossing can't reach. It is the first product in its class accepted by the American Dental Association. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is a great solution when you want the convenience of.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.